Radiator pipes can appear a difficult thing to navigate when laying flooring. We're here to reassure you that it's not. You will need a few tools to make things happen though. Once you've laid your flooring up to the radiator, fit the board you're going to cut around your pipes. Bring it flush to the pipe and lay flat. Make 2 marks on the board either side of the pipe. Remove the board and lay next to the pipes. Again, allow expansion at the wall. Make a further 2 marks either side of the pipe. Using a flat edge, starting with the first 2 marks that you made, draw 2 lines up your board until they line up with the furthest of the second set of marks that you drew. This is the area you'll need to remove to fit around the pipe. Using a flat drill bit, drill a circular hole at the furthest end of this section. Then, once drilled, use a jigsaw or a handsaw to cut up the parallel lines until you meet the drill hole. Remember, don't throw away the section you have now cut away. Refit the board, sliding the cut section around the radiator pipe. The offcut section is now placed in the space behind the pipes. This can be sealed in place using silicone or foam. Finally, use a rosette or silicone to cover the hole around the radiator pipe and give you a nice clean finish. For any further help, contact our team and remember to like and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips.